Hello, in front of me I've got Madden NFL 25. In this video I'll show you defensive adjustments pre-play. In the beginning, let's go to Skills Trainer and go to Defensive Adjustments.
On the ready.
Press A to bring the individual adjustment menu and call hard flat for the linebacker.
Let's go. Ready.
If the quarterback starts to scramble, you can go after him by pressing RS button during the play. Prevent the quarterback from running into the end zone, press the RS button during the play to help make the tackle.
Ready.
That's basically it. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.